So let's begin with television teams. Complete the name of this cartoon series. Foster's Home for? Imaginary Friends. Sports. FIFA is an association which oversees global football. FIFA is an association of an overseas global football. What does FIFA stand for in English? Bell beat you to it. International Federation of Association Football. Bible knowledge. On which mountain was Moses given the 10 Commandments? That's McIntosh.
Mount Sinai.
Correct. Science. By what process does heat travel through liquid? That is St. George's.
Convection.
Correct. English language. Complete the proverb. Blood is thicker. That's McIntosh.
Than water.
Correct. Music. What is the name of the international artist who did the single Hello? That's St. George's.
Adele.
Correct. General knowledge. In which city is the headquarters of the United Nations? That's New York. Local affairs. What is the name of the governor of the Bank of Jamaica? That's McIntosh.
Brian Winter.
Correct. Mathematics. ABC is an equilateral triangle. One side measures 20 centimeters. What is its perimeter? "60 centimeters. Social studies. Which two countries colonized Jamaica before independence? St. George's.
British and Spaniards.
Judge? Will accept. Television. Who plays the role of Thaddeus Bradley in the movie Now You See Me? That's Morgan Freeman. Sports. If a schoolboy team in Jamaica is vying for the Walker Cup, give the sport they would be playing. That's McIntosh.
Football.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Name the 7th book of the Old Testament. McIntosh.
Judges.
Correct. Science. What is the common name for the spine? That's St. George's.
Baboon.
Correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of agree. St. George's.
Disagree.
Correct. Music. Which local musician was born James Chambers? That's McIntosh.
Jimmy Cliff.
Correct. General knowledge. If a woman has octuplets or octuplets, how many babies did she have at the same time? St. George's?
8.
Correct. General knowledge. Local affairs. How many years of independence did Jamaica celebrate in 2017? That's 55. Mathematics. What is the place value of 9 in 20.694? That's St. George's.
9 over 100.
Judge? That's incorrect. The place value, that's the bell, the end. The place value would have been hundredths. So we have both teams now on 26.
Very well played match between St. George's Girls Primary and McIntosh Memorial Primary. St. George's Girls Primary answered 7 questions correctly, while McIntosh Memorial Primary answered 5 correctly. Final scores after the bell are St. George's Girls Primary and McIntosh Memorial both on 26 points.